Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use black color. The next one is blue color. And the next one is vermilion color. And now we use green color. The next one is yellow color. And the last one is red color. Kids, now we start coloring. First we use black color. Now we draw alphabets. First we draw A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. And now we draw C. C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog. Kids, now we draw E and use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw the letter of E. The next one is F. F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we use vermilion color. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. The next one is O, and now we use green color. O for orange. Now we use green color and draw O. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rice. Now we use yellow color. First we draw S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. And now we draw the letter of U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. And the next one is W. Now we use red color and draw the letter of X. Now we use red color. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use black color. Black color. Now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E. Kids, the next one is 4. And now we draw 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Kids, the last one is 10. Now we draw the number of 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.